guys, it's your girl Bree, and I'm literally back with another video. I just filmed one about my life update, so that probably is gonna be up. Do you see my dog, guys? Do you see my dog? He's chilling. He's straight chilling. Like, he's straight chilling. Hey, Kingsley. He's tired. But anyways, I just filmed one about my life update and what I've been doing, because I have not been on YouTube a lot, but I have said that I'm going to try to make more videos so that way, you know, I can stay in touch with you guys. And this video is gonna be kind of my makeup go-tos, because I'm a girl and I like makeup, but I'm simple. So I like use the same makeup over and over again because I'm super simple with it, guys. So my first makeup go-to I must freaking have. First, there's two foundations that I use. Literally my skin complexion is so weird. Either it's too light or it's too dark. I'm like cocoa but not cocoa, but I'm brown but not brown. Like, I don't know. But my two go-tos, wow, there's makeup on this. The Fenty, I don't know if it'll go in there because I'm kind of like totally my Fenty. And then this is in 430. I got matched to 420, but for some reason, like, you know when your neck is a little darker than your face? Like, so my face is 420, but my neck is 430. I'm going to 430. That's just how I work. Okay, and so I have Lancome, and this is like the bombest foundation, and this is in shade Suede 530. Again, like, I match to like lower shades, but like, listen, I want to be Coco. I want to be like Coco, bitch. Coco queen. Yeah, those are my two go-to foundations. Fenty I use for like every day. Perfect for every day. Lancome, this is like you're going out on a date and you want to impress, like, boy, you want them to be like, Sam shorty. That's the Lancome. My other go-to is for concealer, this Tarte Shape Tape. Best thing ever. This is in deep, literally like my skin color, but it's okay. Like, I should get it lighter, but I get it in my skin tone, so I'm basic. All right, and then for my eyebrows, this Anastasia, I'm pretty sure everyone has seen it. Anastasia Brow Wiz in dark brown. I love this thing. It comes with the thing to like basically draw on your eyebrows, and the brush. Primer, I'm doing this so backwards, but this Laura Geller Sparkle, this thing is bomb. I love it. I don't have dry skin. Like, before, when I used to put on makeup, my skin used to be so dry, but like, literally this is the best for hydrating your skin. The best. And then also this Tarte Maracuja oil. I'm probably saying that wrong, but yeah, Maracuja oil. Awesome. A couple of drops, put it on your face, and you're good to go. Like, no one wants a dry makeup face. Like, it's freaking awesome. Contouring, though. Smashbox. I use Smashbox. And this one is in the it's the dark one, because obviously I'm dark skinned, and literally I do not use the highlight at all. Nope, only this one and this one. The best thing ever. It lasts super long. I've had this for a year and I still have it. Super on point. Okay, and then this brush, it is just a brush I picked up, but if you see like how it's angled like this, like these type of brushes, best for contouring, always go to, love it. Tarte palettes, this one is just the regular Tarte palette, but I love my Tarte palettes. Literally Tarte palettes and Morphe palettes on point. But when I went to Italy, all my palettes got ruined. Like, every single last one of my palettes got ruined because it was so hot. Like, literally they all were ruined. So that's a lot of money that went down the drain, but you know, it's all good, whatever. And then for my highlight, this one, the Becca. This one is in Topaz. Love it. And then like if I'm really feeling fancy or like really trying to be popping or whatever, I'll use the Urban Decay Naked Illuminator. And then this one is in Lit Setting Spray. I'm bougie, I don't care, this shit works, okay? It's the NYX, NYX, whichever one you want to call it. This works wonders. I love it. I don't even know what's in it, but it works and it doesn't dry out my skin and it makes my makeup look so good. I promise you. And it's like $5, I think, or less than $10. Either way, it's really good, guys. It's really good. And then last but not least, so literally Aquaphor, guys. I know, Aquaphor for my lips. Never have a dry lip in your life, girls. Never, and men, never have a dry lip in your life. Yeah, those are my go-to. Oh, I can't forget about this beauty blender. It looks so beat up, guys, because it's my life. Without this, I am not me. I am not me. I need that beauty blender, because without the beauty blender, then I cannot be blended, guys. So anyways, that's some of my go-to makeup videos. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below, and like, you know, just follow what I do, y'all. All right, bye guys.